In this demo, we will talk about release gates. Release gates can be used as a sort of automatic approval. So instead of a manual approval, you can do an automated check on some things that you want to have validated before moving on to the next stage. When we want to define a release gate, we go to the trigger icon here and we move to the gates section. When we enable the gates section, we can select one of the predefined gates. For now, we will use the query work item gates. With this release gate, we can check the results of a work item query. For example, open bugs, and we can define the quality gate of this query. So for example, I don't want any open bugs before deploying to a certain stage, in this case, development. So I will set the upper threshold to 0. We can set some more options, but this one is an interesting one, the evaluation options. The release gate does not automatically fail or pass one time only. It can keep evaluating the status of this gate. So it might fail the first time, but after re-evaluation, it might succeed. So in this case, we can continue evaluating for about 24 hours. And we want to evaluate every 5 minutes. Let's save this and let's run this release. As you can see, when I start this release, it's already processing the gates. It's checking the status of my release gate. In this case, do I have 0 bugs? When we open the query that is going to be checked, we can see that it has 2 bugs, so the release gate will fail. When we look at the status of this gate, we can see that at 11:26 this release gate failed. So let's fix this. I will very easily solve these bugs by just putting them to done. I will save the items and we go back to the release. As you can see now, the gate has passed. All gates succeeded. So it sampled 2 times, it failed, but now we have solved the bugs. The gate succeeded and we can proceed with the rest of the deployment. Release gates are a very powerful mechanism to start using approvals in an automated fashion.